All right, problem 8-53. This is the last part of the classwork for H8-3. It reads, what information about the graph of a polynomial function is necessary to determine exactly one correct equation? Discuss this with your team. Well, obviously there's some things that we definitely need to know. Okay, so some critical information we need to know is, Bambi, please go away. Please go away. We can play here in a minute. I'm on the last one, please. Just hang out over here. Good boy. Just hang out right over there, and then we'll play. So 8-53, some of the critical information we'll need. We need to know the root values, right? We need to know the roots. And probably what, the root behaviors. Okay, and probably actually even more so on top of that, based on those last two problems that we just looked at, 8-51 and 8-52, we need to have some sort of idea of what the degree is going to be. Okay, so in terms of root behaviors, yeah, it's great to know that it bounces, but we saw in the last problems there that it bounced at -1 when we had it raised to the 4th power, and it bounced at -1 when it was raised to the 2nd power. So what we need to know is, kind of like what is the degree going to be, okay? So we need to know the roots and the root behaviors. I'm going to put as well as information about the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so that's just, I don't know, trying to clarify on like 8-51 and 8-52, right? One of the problems there at that point, I think it was the point -2, -18 worked in two of the equations, but we had to use that other point, 1, -36, from problem 8-52 to determine, which of those two equations it would work in. So we need to know the roots, root behaviors, information about the degree of the polynomial, and then we need an additional point that is not a root. So a point that is not a root is needed to help us find the stretch factor. Okay, so your answer doesn't have to match mine exactly, but we're just trying to put it all together in our minds and make sure that we're starting to understand the differences between the equations. Okay, so we're going to continue to work on this. There is a homework assignment. Please do your best. Check out the homework help videos if you need them, and ask questions if you have them. All right, thanks for watching.